Let's talk about gels, guys, particularly energy gels, like this one from SIS. So I'll tell you why you need it during your intense training and you race proper. So ang pag-take nito, guys, ay 45 minutes before your race or before your intense training para you have enough time to store some energy in your muscles before your intense activity. So kung sa training mo, hindi ka gumamit nito, malaki ang chance na sumama yung tiyan mo. So I highly suggest gamitin nyo to during training para sa race nyo, hindi manibagong katawan nyo, hindi kayo mag-LBM. Having LBM sa race is the worst thing that could happen to you. Believe me, hindi nyo magugustuhan. I've been there, so I know what I'm talking about. So energy gels is the fastest way for you to replenish your energy. So isang ganito is good for an hour. So nung last race namin sa Silang Cavite, it's a 40-kilometer MTB race. The hardest so far. Mas mahirap pa sa Timberland. Dahil gumamit ako nito for the first time sa training ko and then sa aking race proper, magandang aking naging rank sa race, guys. So dun ko na-realize, without this, at puro training ka lang, wala kang supplement, hindi ka obra. I've been racing for 5 years. Hindi man lang umangat sa 25th yung aking place, guys. But with this one, nakita nyo naman siguro yung result natin sa last race natin. So, huwag mong isipin pag gumamit ka nito, mahina ka. This is a supplement, guys. Ibig sabihin, bibigyan ka niya ng extra power na kailangan mo sa race para makapwesto ka ng maayos. So, using this doesn't mean you're weak. Instead, using this will give you more power, ma-maximize mo yung power mo. So, kung nagtataka ka, lagi naman akong ganda ng training ko, pero kulang pa din. Maybe itong kulang, guys. So, I highly suggest if you want to maximize your training and your power during races, bumili ka nito, SIS. This is orange flavor. So, maganda siya sa lalamunan, guys. At marami siya kumpara sa competition niya. So, mas malaki yung packaging, mas marami kang matitake. So, kung naisip mo may kulang sa race mo, maybe this is it. I'll leave the link sa description kung gusto nyo bumili, guys.